You did not take any initiative, or you did not ask anyone else. You did not update any, like the Saturday meeting, no discussion. No. So why did this happen?
Yeah, we discussed about it on the Saturday meeting, but personally, I was not like ready for it. So, and I asked Faria, she said she didn't watch it, and then
Sure.
yeah,
Everything.
Faria was, she was going through some stuff. As I
Yeah.
mentioned earlier, so
No, everything is somebody you did not do any communication. Hey, I would like to extend the show until next week. Everything was fine. Why? Like I have to catch you now in this meeting. That's the manager will ask. Everything was fine. Why didn't you send a message that, hey, we discuss as a team, we need more time because Faria lost the family member. So we are actually planning next Tuesday. Would you please consider our time? So we will have enough time to go as a team. You did not say anything throughout the week. Why?
I can't answer why, but I'll take the whole responsibility on me for that.
Yeah, so isn't that the whole issue goes to the person who is in the leading position? Just simply say, sorry, we are actually crunched with the timing, and as a team, we decided to do the next Tuesday. That part will save your life, but you did not do anything. Did you do anything? Even did you touch base anything?
Well, I just started creating some slides. That's all.
Yeah, but you did not update anything, right?
No.
So, right?
Yeah, I did not. So I'll take the whole responsibility on me for that.
So this kind of things cannot happen in any environment. Make sense? Okay. So this will be actually the big issues. You are not able to do something, absolutely fine, but not able to proactively, okay, communicate and make an agreement. Proactively communication means proactive communication means tomorrow morning 10 a.m. you are supposed to do something, and in the today's evening you saw that you are not ready. So now you are supposed to set up a meeting or send an email. Hey, I was supposed to do this tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Actually, I have done all the work. My 80% work is done. I'm actually scared to make the commitment tomorrow morning. Would you please expand me the day after tomorrow morning? That's the communication is. So what will happen? So then everybody understand that you have done 80% of the work. You feel like you are not fully ready yet. So you are asking for the extension. So this is called the proactive communication. Good?
Yes.
So because this has to come from everyone equally, especially from the who is managing the team, who is managing the product development team, because you are managing the development team, right? And you are developing a product, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So, and how come like none of you guys raised the question as well? Fozia, Farhana, how come you guys did not say, hey, this task was given to us yesterday. We need to talk to Shibli about this. How come you guys did not even raise a question? If I ask you guys, because everybody is in the same room. What happened? What happened to you guys that you guys did not ask any, you guys did not raise, hey, the Hamid is not Sunday. Normally Faria will do, but of course she was with the family issues. But Farhana, how come you did not raise any question?
Actually, I was busy with my other things, like I created two projects on LLM. So I was trying to understand that.
Thank you. Fozia, what about you? Yeah, Yuri is acceptable because yes, you are catching from behind. Fozia, what happened with you?
Yeah, I created an Outlook account and Famid add me, but
no, that's not the goal. The goal is, as a team was given the last night show and tell. And Famid was not communicating to meet the deadline. How come you guys did not even talk? How did you guys think I will forget that? Because this is the very similar, the platform. you guys will be able to get it done. I actually guide you how to do this, and you guys can get it done in like 30 minutes. I literally show, we are done actually today's work. You see this? I have done the work. That's once somebody understands it, that's how we do the work. The work is easy, but everything end up understanding the work. So you guys understand the Agile DevOps, the Azure, right? Because it's very straightforward. Look like exactly Agile ALM, right?
Yes.
How come you guys did not communicate? Like, why didn't you even communicate? If I ask you. Why didn't you communicate? You know? Why didn't you communicate? So, okay, so this is the concern. You guys just cannot do this, okay? Proactive communication is the key, become a product owner. Good? And this goes everyone. So you guys did the same thing on Faria last month. So she understood what you guys, actually you guys are not like here a team member, you guys actually all equally a product owner. So if someone is behind, you guys need to step up. I know everybody has time. This communication, what I'm saying, what I hold you all accountable, this communication does not need any time. This communication need discipline. Take things seriously. Okay? Even Farhana, you could have said to remind to like the Fahmid, hey, even though we made the commitment, can you please send a group check that, hey, we will not be able to meet the deadline to do the show and tell. Can you ask him to give us 1 more week? You could have done that as well. So Farhana, there is no exception because this was part of the only communication. Do you agree with me?
Yes, yes.
It was not work. If we dig deeper the issues, you will find out everything ends up almost the communication. So he took the responsibility, but actually it goes to everybody else. Means the Fozia and Farhana both. Because you guys could have done, that's the thing. Once you guys meet on Saturday, why I did not see any like the outcome? Answer me that now. Once you guys met on Saturday, did you guys send the outcome? Before I hold you guys.
No, I did not.
Why didn't you do that, Fahmid? Why do you do the cheap shot job? We do not want anybody to do any cheap shot job because you guys met 1 hour. And that's actually was the big missing as well.
That 1 hour went so quick and we just discussed our stories.
Okay, that's
And
fine.
yeah, we did not really have a lot of time. Maybe we should have more than just one meeting a week.
I agree. Then meet, then meet, then meet, then the meet. That's fine, right?
Yeah, but then everybody's schedule should match. Everybody is
Yeah.
there to meet.
So just talk as a team, as a talk, right? Couple time, hey, this time match for me, this time match. If you will see, in some point you will see everybody's time matching, right? Or if you like, if you meet, someone has missed the call, you guys ask us, we will give our own the Zoom, you guys can record it. And then our team can like share with you guys. That's fine too. So if everybody's time does not match, in case, still you should be able to meet. Okay, so now let's go back to the 1 hour. 1 hour went super quick. No, 1 hour goes super quick, but you did not have agenda. So did you have agenda? Without agenda, do not go into a meeting. Because I know that we have an agenda today this is our agenda. I hold this. Because I could have done with Fahmid one-on-one, then other people will not be able to learn it. I thought, no, get this done in one session, so everybody will get the whole idea. Good. So communication goes equally for everybody. Good?
Yes.
Okay. So please do not do this. Proactive communication is the key for you. So when you guys will do the show and tell for the DevOps Azure, please tell me.
For the Azure?
Yes,
All right, my team member, can you guys answer?
yeah, you all have to answer.
Farhana, Fozia, Famida, can you guys put your time, I mean, your thing, what do you call, targeted time?
No, either can be Saturday, if any other day, I need to know. This can be Saturday, Sunday, Monday, any day. We have to know. Means time.
I'm good with doing it on weekends. So Saturday, Sunday for me.
Okay, so what about Fahmid?
It depends on the time. So, Fozia, what like, I'm sorry, what day and time works for you and Farhana?
Quick. Fozia,
Yes.
what day works for you for the show and tell on DevOps Azure?
I think first we need to discuss like when we can be together and
Sure. No,
get
that's
ready, and then there should be a question like when we can do it.
I do not have the trust on you guys at the moment. So I need the 1 point, then you guys will be out of sleep. Then you guys will be now, hey, we need to meet, we need to talk, we need to prepare the slide, we need to practice, then we need to go. So this point will actually drive you like insane. So give me the date and time. Give me the date and time. So this Saturday, this Sunday, tell me. Fahmid, this Saturday or Sunday?
I mean, like I have still, I mean, even though I joined the workshop in the morning, I still have busy schedule on Saturday and Sunday. But I mean, if this works for everybody on Saturday night, yeah, I can just modify my regular schedule and
Okay.
But
So Saturday night at 9 p.m.
I mean, I gotta ask everybody else. Farhana and Famida said yeah, she can do it on Saturday. Fauzia and Farhana, I don't know.
8:30 p.m. EST. Guys, please quickly. You guys have to talk.
I mean, it's fine if they agree on Saturday, but I think we need to meet first, have a meeting first and, discuss
Good.
or get ready for it.
You guys have 3 days. Today, tomorrow,
Yeah, are
and
you guys available? Okay, are you guys available like for a quick meeting tomorrow at some point?
Yes.
What time works for you? Famida, what time works for you tomorrow?
Maybe after 7 p.m.
Oh, there you got me stuck on that. I'll be at work.
Oh
so,
yeah, you're with work.
I mean, is it okay if we do it like around let's say 12 p.m., 12:30 something, or early in the morning?
12:30 I can, but I until before 2, so I can do it for like until 1:30ish or 1. I'll be in campus, so
You'll be in campus around like 12:30.
yeah, my class starts at 2, so I mean I can join. I don't know if it's going to be crowded.
As I said, I think like we don't want to put like a lot of pressure on you, so that's why I'm asking.
And
So-
I'm at that time. I'll try to make it.
Can you?
What?
I'm having a hard time hearing you. So you said you can do it 12:30 or 12?
I can do 12:30.
Okay, that's fine. Fauzia?
What time?
12:30 for you said.
what are you talking for? We are talking here. Are you not paying the attention here?
Oh no, I'm because I'm behind 3 hours. That's why I'm.
Okay, but you already know this.
Yeah, so like if it's 12:30 for us, it's probably like 10:30. Is it 10:30? I mean 9:30 for you actually. So does it work for you?
Okay.
Okay, Farhana?
Okay,
You
is
want
it 12:30 or 9:30? I'm confused now.
No. Fauzia, he's like behind 3 hours from the Eastern time zone. So if it's like 12:30 for you and us, It's,
So Eastern time, 12:30 tomorrow, like in afternoon.
okay, yeah.
Okay, I'm good. I'm available.
All right, I'll set up the calendar with you guys, 12:30 Eastern, and we'll meet and talk about it.
Okay, I gave you guys this. You guys should be able to cover this in your slide. Okay,
All right. Dashboard search curious walkthrough. Okay.
the slide should be including overview of Agile Scrum. Okay, you can bring the Scrum like the Scrum, the 5 things on the Scrum, and then and the summary of DevOps Azure. What does it do? Create a project, create an epic, create a feature. Of course, now you have to link, right? I'm not going to tell you everything else.
Create user stories and link a feature, create sprint and bring user story on the sprint, or create task and link to the user story, walkthrough, various
Okay,
functionality,
so that
capacity,
should be
stories,
covered.
okay.
So are you guys good? Literally, it can go 40 minutes only. All right.
Yes.
And you should have your, like any of the feature we wrote, you guys should have in your Word documents. You can just simply copy and paste. You don't need to show somebody how to do this, right? That's not the
Yes.
goal. You just can copy and paste for the sake of demonstration purposes, because this is not the show the writing the user story. This is the part of this, how to implement a project management tools to follow the Agile Scrum. Am I right?
Yes.
This show and tell is how to implement the DevOps Azure as a project management tools to follow the Agile Scrum framework. Any question?
No.
Okay. So next week we will go actually go the Jira. Next week we'll go to the Jira, and then the way we covered the what is called the way. Do you guys know the? Do you guys know the like in general the whole the how the Google Drive works? In and out.
I've been using drives for a lot of things, yeah, of course.
Okay, if you guys don't know Google Drive, knowing the Google Drive is important. Knowing the Confluence is important. Another is shared drive, which is OneDrive. That will be going as well. Knowing the OneDrive is also important. Okay, these 3 things we use for if the same Outlook, you can log in to the OneDrive, and we'll be covering the OneDrive as well. How do you create the document, slide, and the Excel, everything, because most of the business team, they use the OneDrive. All the company use the OneDrive or the Confluence, and nowadays thousands of companies use the Google Drive. The whole purpose of these tools thus just to store the project various type of documentation. Okay.
Yes.
It is nothing with the project related wiki. It is because in a project there is lots of types of documentation we need to create, we need to store, and not everything you can store on the Agile ALM, means your project management tools. Good. So we will be exposing these 3 tools as well, because those are important. You guys understand now?
Yes.
So
Yes.
so DevOps Azure goes with this. The Jira will go with the Confluence. And unfortunately, the Google Drive, Google does not have any project management tools. So Google just uses the storage as a cloud drive. So that's it. But that's part of the, for an example, I use in Quicken, I use the SharePoint and Confluence. In FCA, I use the SharePoint and the Confluence and the internal project management tools. In in Volkswagen, I use the SharePoint and then the Google Drive and then the Jira as well. All the tools used. So each company can use all these tools for different purposes.
What did you say you use for FCA?
The SharePoint means the OneDrive.
Oh, okay.
It was SharePoint. Before it was SharePoint, now it is OneDrive. Good? Because
Yeah, I think they changed their name right now, FCA.
No, it is not FCA. This is the Microsoft, the
okay.
cloud-based product.
I'm out of loop then. I thought you were talking about Fiat Chrysler already. I'm sorry.
FCA is a company, what they use. for the
Oh, okay.
documentation. Volkswagen is a company. Quicken Loan is a company. I was mentioning they are using this type of tools for their project management and different tasks.
Got it.
Good.
Mhm.
So we have to wrap up next week the Confluence and what? Jira. And then the following week we'll be driving the OneDrive. So if you guys can wrap up like a OneDrive is again Microsoft Word documents and slide. Basically, you do the sync up with your the Windows ID, and that's pretty much it. Sync up and sync in, and that's pretty much it. Because Microsoft do not provide any the hard coded Word documents anymore, and they took everything on the cloud. So that's the OneDrive. All right, and Confluence is very important. The Confluence is more like the user friendly than any other things because they are driving almost everything. So that's a Jira's one of the feature, one of the tools. Good.
Yes.